Hello everyone, my name is Jared and this is my honest review of the Vortex Strikefire 2 Red Dot. So I really like these red dots, extremely reliable, great battery life, and just a tremendous workhorse. In fact, this one is brand new. I'm getting ready to mount it on an AR, but this is the second one that I own. The first one has been on my Smith & Wesson for about 5 years. Just a tremendous scope. I can't begin to tell you how many hogs I've shot and killed with it. And in fact, this Axis buck right there, my wife killed 2 years ago using this exact same Vortex Strikefire 2 that's on my Smith & Wesson. So very proud of her, and she was quite proud of herself as well. Let's go through these and why I like them so much. I just like the price point, first of all. I don't need an EOTech. I don't need something just, shit hits a fan type of red dot. I need something reliable that's gonna work every single time, and this delivers those results. Very easy to mount, as you can see here. When you get this in the box, you actually have to take this optical and mount it to this bracket. You've got basically 6 little pins right there. It doesn't take more than 5 minutes or so to unscrew them and then mount it and then screw everything back in. So very, very quick. I did not use Loctite on this. I didn't think it was necessary, but you could if you wanted to. Now, to actually mount the entire unit onto your rifle, you simply unscrew this counterclockwise, mount this onto your railing up top, screw it in, and there you go. Again, I did not use Loctite. I could if I wanted to, and I just didn't find it necessary at that time. Now, you do have the capability to adjust for your elevation and for your windage, so very simple to zero this in. I zeroed my original one at 37 yards, and I will be zeroing this one at 37 yards as well. That's just personal preference. I like it. It's been a great yardage for me, so no complaints there. There are lens cap covers on both sides. They are very secure. I've never had any issues with water, wind, dust, anything getting through these when they're down. I love the fact that they snap into place and they stay secured until you actually pop them out just like that. So a cool feature about this is that you have the capability to switch between red and green reticles, and then you've got 10 intensity settings with the bottom 2 being night vision compatible. So if you want to actually switch between red and green, as you can see here, I currently have red on. Actually, let's do it on the deer. I've got red on right now, and I am going to switch to green, so I'm going to press the down arrow. I'm just going to hold it for a couple seconds, and it will turn green just like that. Now, say this is very strong intensity, we're going to just tame this down. So as you can see, it quickly fade, and it will go basically to the bottom tier one you can. And then let's bump this up. So I'm going to click on the top arrow, and it's starting to increase in intensity. And as you can see, every pump on that top arrow, it definitely gets more and more vibrant. And then the lower intensity as I push down. I'm just going to go kind of to a mid-tier here, and then I'm going to press down on the bottom arrow again. And this is going to switch to red. There you go. Very, very simple. I tend to go red more than green. I don't think there's any justification behind it other than the fact, I've got some red dots on my pistol, so it's more or less just kind of what I'm accustomed to. Like I said, just a very solid, well-built red dot for MOA, and then a great, great battery life. In fact, on my other one, I actually just replaced that battery for the first time in about 5 years. So I am very, very impressed with the battery life. No complaints there. But what's most important to me is the fact that it works. It maintains at 0, and I've beat the junk out of that gun. I mean, I've dropped it, I've transported it hundreds and hundreds of miles, I've flown with it, and no matter what, I can throw this optic with this red dot right here on a target, and I drop or I hit it every single time. I'm just so impressed. And then just let me be completely honest, I am a frugal person. I don't spend money on something, especially to something, unless I'm a huge fan and believer in it. So the fact that I actually bought a second one of these on my newest AR, yeah, that's just a testament to what my belief is and my own personal, history with these and how successful I've been. Huge fan of the Vortex Strikefire 2 Optic. I can't wait to throw this one on, go zero it, and get ready to have some fun.